Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On tonight's menu, ground beef birria tacos. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. Toasting the chiles. Toasting the spices. The spices after being toasted. The chiles getting a hot bath for about 20 minutes. The rehydrated chilies and the chili tea. All the goodies for the chile sauce. All the goodies in the processor. And here's the chili sauce. Here's the evening mise en place, in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the brazier. Adding the hamburger, which I will break down and brown. I add the chili sauce and stir. Here's what it looks like after it's been cooking for a few minutes. I add the stock and the bay leaf. Then I let it simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. And here it is after 30 minutes. And the assembly line. And here's the finished presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.